There comes a time in every person's life when they must face a truth that changes everything. Nothing gets better until you do. You can't wait for the world to change. You can't wait for people to treat you differently. You can't wish for easier days or smoother roads. If you want things to change, you have to change. If you want life to get better, you have to get better. Don't ask for the winds to calm down. Don't pray for softer storms. Pray instead that you become stronger. You can't control the seasons of life, but you can learn how to handle them. Let's talk about the seasons. The winters, the springs, the summers, and the autumns of your life, and how each one holds a lesson for your growth, your discipline, and your destiny. The winters of life. Winters come for everyone. The cold seasons, the hard times, the moments when everything seems to go wrong. When the job is gone, the friend has left, the bank account is empty, or the world feels dark and uncertain. But here's the truth. You can't stop the winter. You can't wish it away. Winter will come to test you, to shape you, to strengthen you. And you have two choices. You can curse the cold, or you can prepare for it. Winter is not your enemy. It's your teacher. It's the time when you build the strength that summer will reveal. Ask not for easier winters. Ask for a stronger mind. Ask for wisdom to face the storms, courage to keep moving, and faith to believe that spring will come again. You see, life is not about avoiding the storm. It's about learning to dance in the rain. Every challenge you survive makes you wiser. Every failure you rise from makes you stronger. Every winter you endure prepares you for the next spring, the spring of opportunity. And then, after every winter, comes spring. Spring is your opportunity, a time of new beginnings, a time to plant, to dream, to act. But here's the warning. Spring is short. Opportunity doesn't wait forever. If you waste your spring, you lose your harvest. Spring is the time to move, to work, to start again. You've learned from your winter. Now plant the seeds of change. Read the books. Build the habits. Learn the skill. Make the call. Don't let the season pass without action. Spring is not a guarantee of success. It's a chance for success. You must seize it. Take advantage of your springtime. Life doesn't reward the dreamers who sleep. It rewards the dreamers who act. And remember, you only get a few springs in your lifetime. Use them wisely. The summer of growth and guarding. Summer is the season of growth. This is when your seeds start to rise, when your work begins to show, when your efforts take shape. But summer is also a season of danger, because growth attracts enemies. The weeds of doubt, the pests of negativity, the storms of distraction. They will all come for what you've planted, and your job is to nourish and protect. Feed your dreams daily, with belief, with consistency, with positive energy. Don't let anyone steal your sunshine. Some enemies are outside, criticism, jealousy, failure, but the biggest enemies live inside. Indifference, indecision, doubt. Indifference says, I don't care. Indecision says, I'll wait. Doubt says, I can't. You must defeat all three. You must care deeply. You must decide boldly. You must believe completely. The weeds of negativity will grow fast if you stop caring for your garden. So stay alert, stay hungry, stay humble. Protect what matters most, your values, your goals, your discipline. The autumn of harvest. And finally, autumn arrives. This is the time of reward, the season of harvest, the moment you reap what you have sown. If you've worked hard, planted good seeds, and protected your dreams, autumn will bless you with abundance. But if you neglected your fields, ignored the work, and let the weeds take over, autumn will remind you of every missed opportunity. The harvest is honest. It gives you what you earned. No more, no less. But even if this autumn didn't bring what you hoped for, don't give up. Because there's another cycle ahead. Another spring. Another chance. The seasons never stop turning, and neither should you. The call to get better. So what do? We get better, get wiser, get stronger, get tougher, get more disciplined, more grateful, more focused. Every day, in every way, get better. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep improving. Every small step you take adds up to massive transformation over time. Don't wish for less problems. Wish for more skills. Don't wish for lighter burdens. Wish for broader shoulders. Don't wish for an easy road. Wish for stronger legs. Because the world doesn't get easier. You get better. Ambition, the fire that drives you. Ambition is not greed. It's not about showing off. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. True ambition is disciplined desire. It's what wakes you up early and keeps you up late. It's what makes you hungry for growth, not comfort. Most people wish for success. Few people work for it. A wish changes nothing. But an eager desire powered by discipline changes everything. If you want a better life, start building it today. If you want a better future, start shaping it now. Don't wait for the right time. Make this time right. The power of dreams. Dreams are not fantasies. Dreams are blueprints. They are the maps to your destiny. Every great achievement started as a dream in someone's mind. But a dream without action is just imagination. A dream with belief and persistence, that's transformation. You can't let your dream stay fuzzy. Make it clear. Make it real. Write it down. Visualize it. Speak it out loud. You don't get what you wish for. You get what you work for. Dream big, but back it up with big discipline. Dream bold, but support it with bold consistency. The inner ideal. William James once said, "Success is the combination of two things, an inner ideal pursued with courage, and an outer achievement related to that ideal. The first part is more important. Your inner ideal, your purpose, your why, your fire. Because if you never give up on your inner dream, you're already successful. Every step forward, every lesson learned, every setback survived, that's success. Success is not just reaching the goal, it's who you become along the way.